How many times you were jealous in your life because your colleague got a better project or your neighbor bought a better car? Hi, I'm Gosia and in today's video I'm gonna to talk about turning jealousy into something positive. So, as I said, somebody got what you desire and you feel jealous. But jealousy is a very low vibration feeling. It's a pretty negative feeling. And I would advise you to turn it into something positive, to use it as a road sign or a compass. So the good thing about jealousy is that it teaches us what we want out of life. The jealousy is informing you about what your desires are. It is merely an indication on what you need to be doing. If you're jealous of a colleague, for instance, it can help you understand that they have something you desire, and it's something that you can work towards. So, first of all, become aware what you desire. What is that thing that you are jealous about? Is it the project that your colleague got and you didn't? Is it the car of the neighbor? Or maybe a dress of your friend? What is it exactly? Then know that it's probably about feelings and not about things. Probably it would make you feel better, maybe admired, maybe you would have a better feeling about yourself. Maybe you think that you are not good enough generally, and it would make you feel better. What is it? Would it make you happy, fulfilled? What kind of feelings, emotions does it give you? And would it give you? I want you to know that you can have it. You can have all of it. Just recognize what they did to get it. And turn your jealousy, negative feeling into admiration and motivation. Admire them and motivate yourself to get the same results. Then make a plan to get it. Make a plan and turn it into action. Do what they did every day. Maybe they saved for the car, so open extra savings account and save money every month. Or maybe they invested to have a passive income. Or maybe they followed few trainings and thanks to it they could get better project at work. What is it? What they did? Make a plan, follow their footsteps, do it every day. Turn it simply into action. Turn your plan into action. And when you get there, sooner or later, when you get the result you wanted, celebrate that. Do something for yourself. Celebrate that with your family or friends or get a massage. Whatever will make you happy. But remember, use jealousy as a road sign, as a compass, not as a negative feeling. Use it as a positive feeling. This is what I want, I like it, and I will get there. Thanks to it, you surround yourself by a positive energy of motivation. You don't sit in the low vibrational energy of jealousy. And you also send the positive energy to the other person, the energy of admiration, because they deserve that. They worked hard for it, probably. So I hope that from now you will turn your jealousy into something positive and you will motivate yourself to achieve the same results because you can do it. We all can. I see you in the next video. And if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye!